Have you heard of a Swiss knife for your trekking and travel? What if I told you I have a biker Swiss knife? Yes, you heard it right. I have the Cruise Control Outback'R M14. It's a compact toolkit which is in the size of your Swiss knife with the basic tools of a 13 spanner, a 14 spanner, a 3 Allen key, a 4 Allen key, a 5 Allen key and a 6 Allen key. Also, if you look this side, 8 tubular, a 10, a 12, and it also comes with a flat screwdriver and a star screwdriver. And it's so compact that you can just fold it like this, put it inside your pants, put it inside your bag, even inside your bike instead of the actual tools. You can carry it anywhere, and for more information you can visit our website. So see you in the next video. Boom.